Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a soap and I'm using the fragrance Apple Honey Champagne from Crafter's Choice or Wholesale Supplies Plus. I've went ahead and melted my oils and butters and I've added my lye solution. And I'm going to take and add my fragrance. I might regret this. I'm gonna stir it in real good. Make sure it's mixed in there really good. It smells really good. Okay, and I have two different golds. I have radiant gold and I have 24 karat gold. And I'm gonna pour some of these into there. See if I get them about even. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and stir them. And I'm gonna do an in the pot swirl today. The 24 karat gold. You can see a little bit of a shimmer and a sparkle in there. I wonder if I should lighten the other one a little bit more. I think I might. Over. Okay, we're going to put these aside. Stick that one back in there. And in this one, we're going to add all our color. Mix that in. I think I maybe made too much gold. Let's see. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this off. Just for the top. Okay. So I'm gonna pour this one on that side. This one on this side. Okay. Take this quick. Okay, and then we're just going to pour it in. A little bit left over. to buckle from the side. Okay, I'm gonna wipe off my edges and then I'm gonna stick something in between it here so it holds it firm and it doesn't buckle. We'll be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut it. I've taken and molded our apple honey champagne soap, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm going to cut just a little bit off the edge. Oops, the inside has our little sample. There's this one. Need to be cleaned up a little bit around the edges. Move this to the side. Down so you can see them. I've taken and I've beveled the soap and cleaned it up. It's really pretty. The inside has the glitter gold and the other gold. And all the bars look nice. I used a little beveler. I don't know if a lot of people do. It's just this little thing here, and it's got the grooves here to put your corners in, and then it'll just trim it all the way around. A lot of people just use like a vegetable peeler, and that works fine too. But so we're all done with this batch, and I will get it edited and online. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.